Greetings everyone, David J. Coon with Qigong Awareness. I wanted to invite you to next year's Live Intensive 2024, Golden Dragon Medical Qigong for reducing acute and chronic inflammation. This is a very hot topic these days. I'm going to be teaching in, around North Carolina next year. It is going to be my primary focus. Our home base here is in Wilmington, North Carolina, so come join us by the beach to come train if you'd like to come to the beach. I'm also going to be teaching up in the mountains, up in Asheville, North Carolina, so you can come greet us there if that's closer to you, or you'd like to come visit Asheville. I'm also going to be in the Triangle area up in Raleigh as well. Acupuncturists, you get 15 CEUs. Most massage therapists, you'll also get 15 CEUs if your board has reciprocity with the NCCAOM. We do not, unfortunately, offer CEUs for NCBTMB. Lay people are also welcome to come to these programs. I'm going to be teaching you Qigong exercises, some very potent exercises that I've learned over the last 40 years that helped me heal my spine of a severe spinal disease and has helped me to be a medical Qigong practitioner for many years, been in professional business for over 30 years. You're going to learn also medical Qigong treatment techniques. You're also going to learn medical Qigong prescriptions that you can give your clients so that they can go home and practice specific Qigong exercises that might go along, for example, with your acupuncture or your massage that's going to help them go to the next level. And anytime we help somebody else go to the next level, that's exactly what's going to take you and your business to the next level. If you're interested, come check it out. Look at the link in the description there, QigongAwareness.com. We look forward to seeing you next year and practicing with you. Thank you so much.